Sync files via intermediate host. I am currently away from my LAN and I need to do a backup of my laptop. I have a somewhat recent copy of my laptop on my server and I usually back the laptop up using Sync. Now I wish to do that, but outside of my LAN. In short, I want to send data from A to C via B, where A is my laptop, B my router and C my server. I found this command, $SCPO proxy command equals SSHB North Carolina %H%P ThefRC column destination, that works fine for transferring files via SCP, but since I already have most of the data on my server I wish to use Sync to only sync the delta. I have tried $sync file ESSHB SSHC, and that works as far as I am prompted to give the password for user C. However, when I enter the password nothing happens. The router is running Tomato v1.28 and I am unable to set it up to utilize an SSH config file to enable it to log onto C without a password. Any ideas on how to make this work?
This question is essentially answered elsewhere, including here for SCP and here for Sync. Since the latter includes my answer, but no answer was accepted, I'll repeat it here. As you noted, you can use Rsync's RSH option, but it's going to be a bit more complicated. Or, if your version of SSH is new enough, OpenSHN GT equals v7.3, you can use the proxyjump option. Note that I'm using agent forwarding, but it should also work with password authentication if you don't use keys, and, of course, you can replace proxy with B and dest with C in your example. If by chance you don't have a new enough SSH version, and GT equals 5.3, you can use netcat instead of W option to SSH. Finally, as noted in comments already, you can put the proxy command into your $home/.ssh/config file so you don't have to have such a complicated command line. Specifically, add something like this. Or, using proxyjump for OpenSHN GT equals v7.3. Then you should be able to just do.
Here is how to copy data from local machine to target machine with the bastion machine sitting in between the two, progress bar included.
In order not make a Crimson Egret's answer any more complex, I'm posting this variant as a new answer. If your destination host uses a custom port and different username, the syntax is as follows. Dest is your destination machine where dest_port is its SSHD port. Dest_user is the username on the destination. Dest_host is the IP address, or domain name, of the destination.
The first attempt of op worked fine for me, using public key between all nodes. Download files from D to A, through C and B.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.